so as you can see in the previous section of video, this thing is still giving issues clogging up back here. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and replace these new tines with some old ones. And I run into a little bit of issue. Y'all see, focus. This bar is full of ants. It's kind of a shaded area right there. I don't know how well that's going to take it show up, but thing, I sprayed some wall spray in here, and they come out like nobody's business. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace them with old tines at least through this section right here. Hopefully get it past that pulley. This thing was originally equipped with a guard for the belt. Now, we've never had a guard on this, and we've had troubles in the past with hay getting wrapped around the drive shaft and rolling up onto that pulley, but never being pushed up behind there and caught up in there. So I may have to build a guard to go around this belt right here, and I just don't have time today. The quickest thing I can do today is change out some of these old teeth with the new teeth, or change out the new teeth with the old teeth rather. So until I run into these ants, I was making pretty good progress. I've got 6 replaced so far. I'm gonna continue doing this, and hopefully this will solve the issue. It sure is putting me behind getting some hay raked though. It's 7:48 p.m. Just got done and got the tractor put up. This hay is a little bit green in spots, so I think we're going to leave it out here and let it dry a little bit for a few days. I think we got about 18 bales off this field, and it's about a little over, maybe just barely over 3 acres maybe. That's a pretty good bit of hay. I think the most I ever got off this field was 21 bales, so pretty good. I'm real happy with it. The rake did fine after I took those 2 tines off the edge, and I can't remember if they were there when I started fixing that thing or not. I think I'm gonna go back and take them old tines off and put new tines back on where they're at. You know, I mean, it does a pretty good job. Those pieces here, there's probably enough in this field that it missed to make maybe 3 or 4 small square bales. I mean, it's not a big deal. So anyway, thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't.